Hi, my name is Jean. I studied a Bachelor of Health Sciences, majoring in Nutrition and Health Promotion at Deakin Uni, and I am now Senior Health Promotion Practitioner at Eastern Health. So as part of the health science degree, I chose to do a placement unit, and I spoke to my placement coordinator, and she got in touch with one of her contacts that had studied at Deakin previously, and he was working up in the middle of the Northern Territory in Tennant Creek. They do a lot of public health promotion work there, as well as other health services just for only Aboriginal community. So while I was on my placement at Anyinginyi, I worked on a directory for finding different grant opportunities for the health promotion team and any funding that was available to them, and presented that to the board at the end of my placement. And I worked inside the community too, running education sessions with the Tackling Indigenous Smoking team. So I had 3 different opportunities for different career paths, I guess, while I was there, which was awesome. I was just a 22-year-old at the time, and I learnt a lot about applying the skills I learnt in the classroom into a real world setting. And if you talk to the community before acting, you can really make a large difference to the community and do what they actually need rather than just making up what you think they need. I say the opportunity shaped my whole career so far. Health sciences at Deakin opens up different pathways because you don't have to switch your whole degree, you can just change your major, and I think that's the great thing about studying such a broad degree.